Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to prepare this cone. So give it a texture Nuvo Drop. Like how you can without buying that I will show you. So you can see my latest painting. So these all dots. So it has a textured dot. So I will show you how to prepare this dot. So for that you can take any plastic. So this is a DMart, one of my grocery. I save it. It is a little bit hard and it's easy to be folded. So I have cut a small rectangular or square, how you want. I need a small one, so I have done small. I will show you now how to do that, how to cut it. Okay, take this. We will cut this square. So cut, can cut. The rectangular way is little bit easy because you get a lot of space to hold. Cannot go further and go from this side. Okay. So uneven, don't worry if you are getting it uneven. We can always cut that out later. So I got my square. Uneven, this is an uneven surface. So what I'll do, I will cut this up like this. Cut out the uneven. So here is one square and here is another. This one is little bit bigger. So here is also another uneven. So it's not perfectly lined. So we will cut that into line. You can take scale to do that. Scale to do that also. Oh, okay. Let it be there. So I'll show you how to do here. So what you do, which side you want to take your this finger next to the thumb. Place your thumb, the other hand thumb here, just a half where you want, then just rotate. Once you rotate, do one round, then place it with the thumb. So you will see you can make large hole and can make the hole smaller and large. So first what you do, you hold it with your thumb, then with your index finger you can take like this, just one round, then place your thumb, then you can rotate. You see if you are able to rotate or not. Then it is rotating. Now we will just make it, I am making the hole smaller and just turning that in. Okay, so I got a perfect cone. And using cello tape I will tape that out. So I will take cello tape and I will tape out that. Okay, so now I got my dot. Yeah. Now what I'll do, I will cover all that, the whole row, so that the paint doesn't leak out. See, so I got one perfect cone. You can also, what I'll do, these are all spaces. If you have big cello tape, you can put it or cello tape it with all the corners. You can cello tape it and give it so that the paint doesn't flow out. Yeah, so I made one cone. I will show you another cone if you want in the same process. Wait. So I'm placing the thumb, taking my index finger, rotating it, yeah, then placing my thumb to make it the hole small, then holding it, so, and taking the sellotape to seal the edges. See how easy it is. So this is the way you can create your mehendi cones, or this is the cone for our dot mandala painting to get the textured dots. Yeah, hope this video was useful. Share it with your friends who would love to create, who are struggling with finding the Nuvo drops. Next video I will be sharing how to mix your paint to the consistency of the Nuvo drop. Bye.